Samsung's upcoming Fan Edition phone, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, is anticipated to maintain continuity with its predecessor, the ISO Cell GN3 primary camera sensor. This sensor is currently utilized in several models, including the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S24, and S24 Plus. Last year, Samsung upgraded the main rear camera for the first time with the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, and the company seems poised to retain this sensor for the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition without further enhancements. Similarly, the front-facing camera, which transitioned to a high-end 10-megapixel sensor with the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition from a 32-megapixel sensor in previous models, is expected to remain unchanged. Speculations also suggest that the ultra-wide and zoom cameras will likely see no updates. Samsung's Fan Editions have become a popular choice for customers willing to accept certain compromises to save money on their smartphones. Following the reintroduction of the Fan Edition series with the S23 Fan Edition in 2023, Samsung is now reportedly working on the S24 Fan Edition, which is expected to launch soon. According to a report from the ELEC, the semiconductor chipmaker Anapass is supplying Samsung with the display driver IC, DDI, for the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. The Korea-based company has already started production of these ICs, which include embedded TCON technology. This timing controller technology will improve the screen display by more efficiently transmitting the media signal to the driver, which then sends it to the phone screen. The production schedule strongly indicates that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition could be released during the summer months. While nothing is confirmed, if the information is accurate, we can expect to see the phone in the next few months. There are rumors of an unpacked event in July where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are expected to be announced, so it's possible that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will be unveiled at the same event. Before the news about the Anapass DDI for the Samsung S24 Fan Edition surfaced, various rumors circulated about the upcoming Galaxy phone. One leak suggests that the device will be equipped with either a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or an Exynos 2400 processor, depending on the market. Additionally, it is expected to feature a triple camera setup with 8-megapixel, 12-megapixel, and 50-megapixel sensors. The S24 Fan Edition is also anticipated to offer 128 gigs and 256 gigs internal storage options and up to 12 gigs of RAM. When Samsung released the Galaxy S24 series in January, it included the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra models. Although the Fan Editions are typically more affordable, the S24 Fan Edition is rumored to include some advanced features, making it an improvement over its predecessors. For example, the device is expected to come with a larger 4,500 mAh battery, surpassing the S23 Fan Edition, and a brighter 6.1-inch AMOLED LED display. Despite the rumors surrounding the S24 Fan Edition, Samsung has not yet officially confirmed any details about the device. However, if the speculation is accurate, the phone could be released this summer with a possible starting price of $600 in the US. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.